Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's check out my new professional watercolor tube set of 36 colors from Phoenix Art Material. I can't believe how rich and pigmented this color looks. So I decided to paint a rose with this beautiful magenta color. Painting a rose is very easy and therapeutic. Keep making some sea lines. Make the lines thicker as you go and clean your brush to soften the edges. Best way to achieve soft edges in watercolor is to work wet and wet. Notice the lines that form the divisions of the petals are darker, but immediately are softened with a clean wet brush. Also, notice the lines that form the edges of the petals. They are all different in length and thickness, which creates beautiful abstraction and realism. And stop overworking your rose. If you're happy with the result, then stop and go for the next step. Add some leaves, and you are done. And make sure to check out this watercolor set from Phoenix Art Materials.